In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use hyperlinks in Microsoft Outlook. So I'm starting here on my desktop, and the first thing I'm going to do is open Microsoft Outlook. I'll just go ahead and click on the Outlook icon, and once it loads, you'll see your inbox right here. This is where all your emails normally appear. Now what we want to do is create a new email where we can add our hyperlink. So I'm going up to the top left corner and clicking on new email. That opens up a fresh message window, and this is where we can type anything we want. Now inside the body of the email, I'm going to type the text that I want people to click on. This is important because the hyperlink will be attached to this text. So for example, I'll type something simple like visit our website. You can type anything you want here, it doesn't have to be those exact words. Once the text is there, I'm going to use my mouse and highlight it. I'll click at the beginning of the text, hold down the mouse button, and drag across until all of it is selected. You'll know it's highlighted when the background of the text changes color. Now that the text is highlighted, I'm going to press Ctrl and K on my keyboard at the same time. This opens the Insert Hyperlink window. You'll see a small box pop up, and this is where we connect that text to a website link. Inside this window, you'll notice a field labeled address at the bottom. This is where the actual website link goes, so I'm going to click inside that address field, and then I'll paste the full URL. You can right click and paste, or you can press Ctrl and V on your keyboard. Once the link is pasted, just take a quick look at it to make sure it's correct. After that, I'm going down to the bottom of the window and clicking OK. As soon as I click OK, you'll notice the highlighted text changes appearance. It usually turns blue and becomes underlined. That means the hyperlink is now active and attached to that text. At this point, the text is clickable, and anyone who receives your email can click on it and be taken directly to that website. To double check, you can hover your mouse over the text and you'll see the link appear, which confirms everything is working properly. And that's it, you've successfully added a hyperlink in Microsoft Outlook, and now your email looks cleaner and more professional without showing a long, messy URL.